Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set timer on air purifier A1W by TCL. To do this, first we'll need to open TCL Home app. Inside, make sure that your air purifier is paired, and you should see on the bottom this list. We can scroll to the right, there's a timer. When you enter it, you can click on the plus button to schedule a certain time for your machine to work. And so you can schedule by a period and then go for start timer and the end in this case 3 minutes. Then we can save it, and here's our schedule created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.